Good morning everyone, this is day 8 and we are in this hotel called Biju Hotel, and this is the room which we have got. And now I'm going for breakfast. Basically, whenever you come to Ladakh for one day, you just rest. So that's what we are doing. You have to acclimatize your body. So let's see, whatever I go through, I make sure I inform you guys. So I'll just have my breakfast. Let's go. Okay, so I had my breakfast and then I went back to my room and then I slept for like 2 hours. Now I got up and now we all are going for lunch. So today is rest day. I'll just show you the bikes which is parked in the parking lot. Okay, so I left this other phone in a medical shop over there, which is just 200 meters away from this hotel. So I had to run, and I just ran for like 100 meters. And look how it's because of this climatic condition. Usually I don't get this tired when I run, and carry an extra oxygen bottle in case. So now, as I said, today is the rest day. We are not doing anything basically in the hotel. We went out and all that. I'm taking my time lapse, which you just saw are the beautiful clouds. See how beautiful it looks. And these guys right here, what are you guys doing, by the way?
Right now we're pairing a
communication device.
Sena intercoms.
Yeah, done.
Sena intercoms, huh? Where is it show?
Helmet to helmet communicators.
Oh, nice. Does it help?
This has got a camera.
He's got a camera and he's the dealer for that. Yeah, yes, he's the dealer.
I know. He's
Mr.
a dealer.
Jamil Rao.
Give discount.
Who is this car? No, it has to be approved to Debu. Now show Debu's side.
Okay, look at it.
Devu, show your face.
You have to get approved through him. SMH
10.
10. This is 20S and this is 10C. The only Sena communicator with a Jackass camera.
Not Sena.
So if you want to be a motovlogger, you know what to get now. This is cheaper than a GoPro Hero 4. Make sure you buy this tablet called Dimox. Can you see that? No, it's I autofocus is there. Yeah. Dimox, DIAMOX Dimox tablet, and also buy ORS. Okay. Keep drinking ORS. Fill it in the bottle of water. Where is my bottle? Anyway, for now, I'll just go to sleep, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Okay, so we are all ready to go to Khardungla. Everybody is cold starting their bike. Okay guys, so we are all set to leave for Khardungla, world's most highest motorable road for normal people. It's 49.5 kilometers from this Hotel Biju. Exactly 35 kilometers from here, we'll reach South Pullu, where we have to again do the small registration, what we did in Kargil. You know, we have to ride our bikes, number, our name, nationality, where we are from and all that. Okay, so basically I'll be the one between the Triumphs and BMW. I'll be the one in the center, dividing the two company. When we were in the hotel, we were at 13,000 feet, and in the span of 50 kilometers we'll be at 18,000 feet. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 50 kilometers, 5,000 feet. So you can say that we're gonna be ascending very fast. Although it's very sunny, but it's extremely cold right now. I'm sure about it that right now it's around 15 degrees over here, I'm sure. Okay guys, I will just say one thing, that it's not really easy to do Ladakh, especially Khardungla. As you can clearly see, we are climbing since like half an hour, and if you'll see, we are going like this, you know. As we climb, the temperature is going down. If I would not be wearing this jacket, I would be dying right now, you know, that cold, because you know, on my left side I'm wearing a leather gloves and my right hand I'm wearing a mesh gloves. So to be very honest, I don't really feel my right hand is getting numb slowly, although I have a winter gloves inside this and that is waterproof. Still, I would just say that do your proper research before coming to Leh. I am extremely very lucky that I'm riding with these guys. Otherwise, I don't know what would have happened to me. I would have done Ladakh, but with lots and lots of trouble. So I'm blessed. Thank you, God. Thank you for supporting me and giving me these people to help me out. Can't find the words to describe my feeling right now. I mean, look at it. I am riding to Khardungla, which is the highest motorable road in the world. Ahead of me, there's a group of Triumph Tiger, and behind me is a group of BMW GX. Zishan भाई, दुआ लगता है ज़्यादा पढ़ ली भाई मेरे लिए. क्या बोलता भाई, इतनी दुआ पढ़ ली. I think all my subscribers praying for me, guys. I have to thank you guys. You have remembered me in your prayers. Okay, so now we are approaching South Pullu. So we are at South Pullu and it's beautiful, sunny, hot weather. Right now it's around 8 degrees centigrade. Very hot. 8 degrees. So the reason we fill this is that in case of any emergency, if we don't come back, they know who all are missing.
MHO2 18 also.
MHO2
Also, don't follow each other's tail. Staggered formation where you're like this. So the length of the group becomes less. Make your own road which is comfortable for yourself. Whatever speed. Come to enjoy, not to pull our hairs. Okay?
I think they have a lot of energy. Just waiting. So we have divided into two groups, slow group and fast group. I'll be in the fast group. So what I've been told now is that now this the last 19, 20, whatever kilometers is gonna be very, very bad. So now we have to be very careful, and it might take around 45 minutes to reach.
Blind, I was blinded, and I don't see once again.
They are stuck over there and we are stuck over here.
जमीन खड़ा हो जा.
खड़ा हो जा जमीन. गो 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 गो.
अरे सचिन सर रुक गए.
Oh shit. एक मिनट मैं निकालता हूँ. एक मिनट, हट जा.
तो नीचे सब कीड़ा पड़ा है रे.
हाँ? ये इंडिया का फ्लैग है यार. रुकता हूँ मैं, रुक.
So there was an Indian flag in the middle of the road. So we stopped and Devu picked up the flag.
Let the beat drop.
So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I give you the highest motorable road in the world. And someone has got Harley Davidson over here.
The sun was in front of me the whole time. I couldn't see.
The world's most highest motorable
Blind, I was blinded.
Hope I have not left anything. Just let me check. No, I have my DSLR, my GoPro and my wallet and my iPhone also. I guess I have everything. I think our timing was perfect. Now it's just too many crowd, man. Too many people now. And guys, I really hope I didn't disappointed you. I really hope you enjoyed this. You enjoyed this video. Okay. So now we are going down. So a guy taking his Hayabusa on the top. Wow. Okay, so we are back from Khardungla. It was fun. You saw the road, right? It was really bad. So now we all of us are here for our lunch, and then I don't know. Time is almost 2:50 in the afternoon, and I look tired because I am hungry. I'm not really tired. Okay, so after the lunch, I came and I just slept, and now I'll go out to buy some covers for my bags because the dirt sack covers are nice, but for my drone I don't have a cover, so I'll just go and buy a cover. All the trekking stuff you get very cheap over here. Okay, so that doesn't mean that you come over here just to buy the trekking stuff. I'm just saying if you're coming over here, just increase your budget by 2,000 or 3,000 because you'll get very, very, very good stuff which you can use back home. Doesn't matter wherever you're coming from, India or abroad, you can use that stuff, you know, a lot of stuff, trekking stuff. So yeah. Okay, so it's 11 o'clock in the evening and we are here for dinner. And tomorrow we are leaving for Pangong Lake, which is like 100 kilometers away from here. So we are here for La Pizzetta, whatever. We are inside the restaurant and we are just, I know, yeah, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, flicker क्यों हो रहा है? So this is how we are sitting. By the way, Devu is kind of sad because he lost his keys.
You will find
BMW keys. Good morning, everyone. So this is day 10th, and today is, I don't even know what today's date is. I'm sure today is like 25th or 24th. I don't know. So right now, the time is around 7:45. Today we'll leave from Leh and we'll go to Pangong Lake, and we'll stay over there. We'll stay over there for a night, and then we'll come back to Leh tomorrow. Today I'm wearing my traditional YouTube t-shirt. I'm wearing my riding pants. We have to pack our stuff. Basically, we are just taking our necessary stuff because we are just staying there for a night. My scalp is all going dry and it's really looking very bad. It's almost 9:15, right? Huh? It's 9:15. We're supposed to leave by 8:30, but then
Right ke liye?
I don't know what.
But 10 o'clock was.
I think I had 10 o'clock having my paratha. We said 10 o'clock we'll leave.
We were supposed to leave at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, having chai.
Weird.
When I leave, I'll update.
Okay, so it's 10:40 in the morning and we are leaving for Pangong Lake. So we are just lining up. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and blah blah blah. Yeah, I know we are late, but then we were doing something. So yeah, we are leaving now, and I have heard a lot about the bad roads of Pangong. So hope for the best, and I just hope nothing goes wrong. Chalo, let's do this, guys. So from Leh, I've heard it's about 150 kilometers. Okay, so till now we have done around 13.5 kilometers from the hotel, and the road seems to be good till now, but the bad patch will start very soon, I think. That's what I've been told.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known, and we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly.
So 5 tak bhar do. Okay, so 5 liters in that, 5 liters in that.
So I just tied this up. We have refueled and we have done around 34 dot kilometers from the hotel and 100 plus kilometers to go.
So this is a Karoo check post where you have to again fill the same form we filled in where when we entered Kargil. I think it's about a matter of time that the bad road will start.
So we are going to the highest saltwater lake in the world.
Yeah.
Not even second highest, na? Highest.
Highest.
But seriously, we should make one t-shirt for Freddy.
Freddy, huh? I stab you in the neck and then you will die.
Enter you will die.
Enter you will die. Oh, yo.
Okay, now you guys must be wondering why Debu is riding a Bullet instead of his BMW. Well, it's because of the sandy road. He slipped and he crashed his BMW. Not a bad crash, very small crash. But because the bike is so heavy, the bike landed on his left a foot, so that he got a bad cramp on his left leg, and that is the reason Junaid is riding his BMW and he is riding his Bullet.
ले गई मन ये करारी करारी नजर. Okay, so we are at Changla Post, and we'll be going to a restaurant over there, Changla Cafeteria, which is known as the highest cafeteria in the world, right? Highest cafeteria in the world.
उधर बैठा था ना मैं वापस जाके
See, this is the second highest motorable road in the world at 17,688. We were having our food over there. And now time for a super bad patch. Okay, let's do this. I was recording everyone crossing. It's a lake, frozen lake. We have done 90 kilometers till now from hotel, and I think more 60 kilometers to go. Right now is almost 4 in the evening. So we have done 110 kilometers, and there are chances we might stop here. That was fun. That was amazingly fun.
So we are at Durbuk. We took a halt for like 15 minutes, drinking water and all. From here it's 40 kilometers straight road, but it's not really safe. So we really have to watch our front and back and everything, and we have to control on our speed. You will see. So 40 kilometers should take around 2 hours to reach, or maybe 1 hour. Let's see.
My ass is hurting.
Because he was riding a Bullet. That Bullet.
A good bike, huh? Lovely bike.
Okay, so we have done around 150 kilometers from hotel, and with average speed of 36 kilometers per hour, which is not bad. And right now the time is 5:46, so we'll get a nice beautiful sunset, and I think we are almost there. You know, when we were descending, I saw a lake. I'm sure it's that. We have reached, I think so. I'm guessing. How far more? Oh my god, this is beautiful, man. So we have reached. Look how beautiful this lake looks. And we are going to the hotel. पानी गया. I'll try that out. And we have finally reached. Now let us just check it into the hotel or tent, whatever, and I'll get back to you.
Okay, so there's a lake. The sun has already gone down, so we are not taking any pictures. That's where I'm staying over there, which I'll show you later. Right now, time for some snacks. Good morning, everyone. So this is day 11. Sorry, last night I couldn't show you the room or whatever tent because we came like around 7:15. So by the time we changed and freshened up and all that, sun was set and it was already dark and there was no light in the tent. I mean, there is a bulb, but there was no electricity. So there's no point of showing you the tent in the dark. So this is a tent. This is how we are staying. This is a bed. If you're planning to come here, so one vital piece of information, there is no hot water. So if you know what I mean. So this is let's freeze it. So this is how we get out. And ta-da! The view.
Yeah, where is the view? Here is the view.
Here is the view. So right now we are at 3 points. We are 3 idiots. Remember the car? It comes from here. And then Amir Khan is over there somewhere.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Sir, कितना % इंडिया में?
35 kilometers.
35 kilometers belong to India and 90 kilometers belong to China.
Feet. Okay, 200 feet. Look at the bed.
It is 200 feet. You know? I can see a lake.
Boys.
Okay guys, so we have finally left the hotel in Pangong Lake and now we are going to Leh to our hotels. If I find anything interesting only then I'll show you because it's the same route and same weather. If not, then I'll see you when I arrive to the hotel. Okay, so we are back to the hotel. It was a very tiring ride. We took around 7 to 8 hours to reach because we were taking a lot of breaks because we are like 8 riders, so we have to wait for everyone. Because the problem is if you're riding to Pangong, that you have this, sand everywhere, so your bike tends to slip a lot. So now let's see what we'll do. And now we'll go for dinner. We'll buy fridge magnets, and I bought this flag from Ladakh, that you put on your bike.
Okay guys, so it's the end of day 11th or 12th. I think it's 11th. So yeah, I'm just testing out my new t-shirt which I got. Mumbai to Ladakh, owned by Mumbai ka Nikhil. I know the spelling of Nikhil is wrong. Anyways, I'll correct it tomorrow. So I was just trying it out and I'm very sleepy. And there might be a change in plan for tomorrow, but right now I'm not sure. So in the morning I'll get back to you after everything is confirmed. Let's see what happens. So good night for now.